I talked to Kuldeep Singh over the phone, and he admits that he suspects that this could be Kuki groups who are firing and bombing this, disturbing people and killing these innocent people in Koktruk. This incident of drone bombing. One cabinet minister, his BJP MLA, saying we want separate administration, and they're spearheading. We can't live together. This is what they are preaching. And then on the other hand, the CM says that we will not give separation. So who's fighting? The government itself is fractured. And Modi should have called them and said, resolve this first at your level. Once the government is unified and they can control this violence, they can't. It's a complete failure. And then in the process, we have lost lives. And then 15 months long violence. They said, "Thik ho gaya." Abhi thik ho gaya ye? What has happened? It's unprecedented, and government of India has not come out. Ulta, they will start saying, BJP's cadres have been sent out to say, Rahul Gandhi chup kyun hai? Congress chup kyun hai? Usko puchna chahiye na, Home Minister chup kyun hai? Condemn karna chahiye. Defense Minister chup kyun hai? Modi chup kyun hai? Why don't they condemn? Because they are the government. वो कुछ नहीं बोलते. This is creating complete confusions and all shameless. And then we suffer as a people. 15 months. You understand it? I mean, I was so sad that the woman who died was visiting उसकी मायके की आए थे खाना खाने के लिए. वो वापस आने वाले थे. मदर ने कुछ रुके रखा हुआ था. गाड़ी पता नहीं इसे बोला. And he was standing outside and she was killed. It's a symbolic of home being destroyed, either ways. And then we said that Indian Army is blocking and the Central Security Forces are deployed, that despite that these people are shooting down on the valley. And then the government, police can't even say that it is suspected Kuki militants. He said alleged, reportedly. I don't mention this name only when and officially. My principle is very clear.